Good afternoon. Today I'm going to talk to you about familial hypercholesterolemia. Familial hypercholesterolemia is a genetic disease that causes bare levels of LDL bad and cholesterol from bright whites increases the risk of premature heart disease. Cholesterol is vital to the body as it is an essential component of cell membranes and is used in the production of hormones, vitamin D, and bile acids for digestion. Familial hypercholesterolemia it is an inherited genetic disorder that causes abnormally high levels of LDL cholesterol in the blood from bright. Thank you.
And it helps produce hormones, vitamin D, and bile acids. Besides hurting cholesterol from food, the liver also synthesizes it. The key step is controlled by the enzyme HMG reductase, and statin drugs inhibit this enzyme to reduce cholesterol levels in the blood. Because cholesterol cannot travel alone in the bloodstream, it is transported in lipoproteins. LDL deliver cholesterol to tissues, can as bad cholesterol, HDL collect extra cholesterol on return into the liver, the good cholesterol, VLDL transport triglycerides from the liver. The LDL receptor in the liver helps remove cholesterol from circulation. When the receptor doesn't work properly, cholesterol builds up and increases the risk of atherosclerosis. Maintaining a balance between synthesis, transport, and removal of cholesterol is key of cardiovascular health.
Today I am going to talk about family hypercholesterolemia, a genetic disease that causes very elevated cholesterol levels from birth. This disorder is primarily due to mutation in the LDLR and APOB or PCSK9 genes, which are involved in the elimination of LDL cholesterol, can as bad cholesterol. The LDLR genes is called the receptor that capture LDL participate in the life. If the receptor is upset, deformed, or malfunction, cholesterol cannot be eliminated of from the plasma. As a result, LDL cholesterol accumulates in the blood, forming plaques in the arteries and increases the risk and heart output or chronic heart disease.
Is a genetic disorder caused mainly by mutations in the LDL receptor gene, with the reduces the clearance of low density lipoproteins from the blood. As a result, LDL cholesterol accumulates in the blood, often reaching levels to 2-3 times higher than normal. Metabolically, this means that cholesterol uptake by the liver decreases, leading to increased cholesterol synthesis and reduced regulation of LDL receptor expression. The overall effect is persistent hypercholesterolemia, even with a normal diet. Thank you.
Now let's talk about the instruments and biochemical regulation. The main duties and strength. They work by blocking enzyme called HMG-CO reductase, which is very important for making cholesterol in the liver. When this enzyme is blocked, the liver produces less cholesterol and this also removes LDL from the blood. Another medicine is enzymes. This stops the absorption of cholesterol for the food we eat in the intestine. There also is PCSK9 inhibitors. They help the liver get rid of the more LDL cholesterol and keeping blood levels low. Together, these instruments help control cholesterol, protect the health, and promote life quality. Thank you for listening.